War between the protesting doctors and the government continues unabated over the shocking rape and murder at RG Kar, which has stunned the entire West Bengal. And the West Bengal government has rejected the demands of the doctors for the live telecast of the meeting and other slew of demands. Minister of State for Health, Chandrima Bhattacharya, stated that the doctors are not willing to hold meeting with imposing certain conditions. She further added that it has become more of a game of politics. The protesting doctors had written to CM Mamata Banerjee stating that they are willing to meet the authorities. And the doctors had placed a slew of demands after invitation was sent to the medics from the Chief Secretary. Firstly, they wanted representatives of 30 medical colleges to be allowed to attend the meeting instead of 12 to 15 members. Secondly, the doctors wanted a discussion in presence of the CM and wanted meeting to be telecasted live.
That the meeting is very unlikely today because the 6 p.m. time was given by Nabanno. The doctors were called at 6 p.m. but right now it's 6 p.m. and the doctors are still there. Now there is a deadlock once again between the state government and the doctors. The state government was asking for a delegation of 12 to 15 members, but they clearly said that only a 30-member delegation will go. Let me in fact go across to the doctors. We see that another deadlock between the state government and the doctors. Is there any possibility that the meeting can happen today?
Today the chief minister have decided to call 30 12 to 15 representatives to the Nabanno, but we have said that not only 12 but all the representatives from all over the West Bengal, total 30 representatives have to be called on the Nabanno, and the whole procedure, all the conversation have to be on live telecasting because we are in a big movement here, so all the hearing should be transparent.
So, like you can hear, they have mailed to the Chief Secretary's office with no reply so far. Once again, there is a deadlock. Once again, another failed meeting between the doctors and the government. Yesterday, also remember, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was waiting in Nabanna till 7:30 p.m. to have a dialogue with this protesting doctor. Today, once again, we have seen Chief Secretary's office have, extended the olive branch to this protesting doctor. A 6 p.m. meeting was called, but what we are gathering so far is that there is once again a deadlock. They were asking for a 12 to 15 member delegation, but the doctors are saying only a 30-member delegation will go, and the chief minister will have to be present in that meeting, and the whole meeting has to be live telecasted. So once again another failed meeting.
समर्थन कर रहे हैं हम लोग, उनके समर्थन में हम लड़ रहे हैं। सीनियर डॉक्टर भी प्रोटेस्ट में उतर गए। इतिहास तय कर दिए हैं ना, ये इतिहास है, ये इतिहास को हम सबको देखना चाहिए। अगले तारीख में इतिहास को सारे दुनिया याद करते रहेंगे।
Shreya Mondal, my colleague who has continuously been reporting on this from Ground Zero, joins us live this morning. Shreya, good morning. Given what we're essentially looking at, the deadlock clearly continues.
Well, of course, today is the day 3 of the Shastra Bhavan Abhiyan, and two consecutive failed meeting between the state government and the protesting doctors. Right now, we're outside Shastra Bhavan. Let me first start with showing you the visuals from outside Shastra Bhavan. See, it's 8 in the morning. You can see that the doctors have a seat in protest. They're raising slogans. They're singing in protest. You can also see, I'll ask my VJ to show you. You can see many doctors, they are sleeping here. Remember, these are the junior doctors we are talking about, and you can see that they're sleeping. They have been here overnight. Now, not for one day, not for 2 days, for 2 consecutive days, these doctors, they have been here overnight. They are sleeping. You can see they're having their morning breakfast here. So, of course, we see after 2 failed meetings between the state government and the doctors, the protest continues. We have seen yesterday the chief secretary, he have written to the protesting doctor, have asked the protesting doctors, in fact, to go and meet the chief secretary at Nabanno at 6 p.m. But these doctors, this protesting doctor, they said that only a 30-member delegation will go. The whole meeting has to be live telecasted. In fact, they say that they want Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to be present in the meeting, and the discussion has to be around their 5-point demands. Now, you can see that, after that, we saw Chief Secretary wanted a 12 to 15 delegations. So, of course, it was another failed meeting. These doctors here, they have been here overnight. They're having their morning breakfast. Let me quickly go across to them. You have been here overnight. From which college are you?
We are from Bankura Sammiloni Medical College, and we have been here since the first day of this protest, and we have been here for the last two nights, and many more students from our college are also coming today, and we are here till the end.
So what is the plan of action today? Is the strike going to continue?
Plan of action will be decided by WBJDF. We will follow just their decisions, and as said previously also, we'll see till the end, and will not hold our protest or stay back until our demands are met.
So of course you can clearly hear until their demands are made, they will continue the protest. I'll also come to you. You have been here overnight?
We have been here overnight, all of us, and some of my people, since we are coming from peripheral college, since we are coming from Bankura Sammiloni Medical College, many people you are seeing here right now have travelled yesterday morning, at least a travel distance of 7 hours in total. They have travelled here and come here, and they've stayed here through the entire day, stayed up through the night, and now they physically cannot anymore, which I think is a very big feat.
So of course you can see these doctors, they have travelled, they have come from Bankura, another district in West Bengal. They're not in fact from Kolkata, and it has been very, very difficult for these doctors. But see, the protest continues and the deadlock continues. These doctors are saying as long as the demands are met, the protest is going to continue, the strike will continue. There will be no end to this strike at this point in time.
Right, Shreya. In fact, as you bring us those important voices from Ground Zero, stay with me as we continue to track this big development, because let's also tell our viewers, meanwhile, amid the continuing probe, the Enforcement Directorate is carrying out search operation in connection with financial irregularity case at several places in Kolkata and suburban areas. This also includes residence of former principal of RJ Kaur Medical College and Hospital, Sandeep Ghosh's father. Let me take that point across to Shreya, who continues to stay with us. Shreya, clearly with the crackdown by the central agency over here, what are we given to understand with these raids at this point of time?
Well, of course, we see that Sandeep Ghosh's name came up in the financial irregularities case. SIT was first formed by the state government, after which the entire SIT probe was transferred to that of the CBI, and the ACB of CBI, the anti-corruption branch, was looking after the financial irregularities case from RJ Kaur. Remember, Sandeep Ghosh, in fact, have been arrested in the financial irregularities case. Now, a lot of money is involved, and the ED is also now involved, the Enforcement Directorate. They are also now looking after the case after CBI have arrested Sandeep Ghosh. Remember, there has been a money trail that has been found, and that is what the ED is investigating necessarily at this point in time. So Sandeep Ghosh, close aide, like his father, his wife, all of them are under the scanner at this point in time.
Right, Shreya. Thank you very much for getting us more as far as this is concerned as well. But for the moment, we leave it at that.